My name is Dan Lewark. I own Rev Homes here in Pleasant View, Utah. Originally a Washington native, moved here about 14 years ago to pursue my career and continue to kind of dive into the home building market. The installation was fantastic. We had some flooring down. They took proper precautions to make sure that the safe didn't affect any of my finished materials. They were able to install it without problem at all. There's a couple of things that you need to do to prepare for that installation, but as far as the crew that came out, it was phenomenal. I would recommend it to anybody. And I think that if you're looking at a safe in your house or a vault, if you've got the ability to create a vault space, it's more multi-purpose. I think that there's better functionality with it. One, I'm an avid hunter, and so we've got different firearms and things like that, as well as our precious jewels or things that are of value, that are important, that we want to keep kind of locked up and safe. Beyond that, we chose Liberty Safe because when analyzing the market or looking at the different options, it's a clear decision. The premier products, we build premier homes. They have a great look, the fit and finish is incredible, and the team has been flawless to work with. And I think that you would be very satisfied if you chose Liberty Safe.